Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, southeastern Union County in northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky until 6 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Breckenridge Center, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Okay, I'll stop.
Locations impacted include Morganfield, Providence, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Seabright, Clay, Dixon, Corden, Waverly, Slaughter,
What the hell?
This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hartford, Beaver Dam, Dukehurst, Taffy, Real, Horton, Gelee, Megan, Narrows, and Oak Creek. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Ohio, Kentucky,